Welcome to the Flexicrew family. Here at Flexicrew, we believe that the safety of our employees is top priority. This general safety orientation is designed to give you general safety information so that you are able to perform your work efficiently and safely. Site-specific training will be provided by the client. Job safety analysis. Job safety analysis should be completed and presented by your supervisor before starting work. JSA should also be completed after an accident or near miss, or if the work conditions or scope of work changes. You have stop work authority if hazards aren't mitigated. Hazardous materials. You have the right to know what chemicals are in the workplace, if they are hazardous or not, and the effects they can have on you. Employees have the right to know the location of the safety data sheets and how to read them. If you have a question, contact your supervisor. Personal protective equipment. PPE such as protective eyewear, hearing protection, hard hat, steel-toe boots, respiratory protection, or high visibility clothing may be required at the client site. A Flexicrew representative will inform you what PPE is required on the client site and will provide PPE as necessary. Safe lift technique. While lifting, keep your back straight and bend at the knees. If the material is too heavy, ask for help. Ladders and scaffolds. Inspect all ladders prior to use. Always maintain 3 points of contact when climbing a ladder. Portable extension ladders must extend 3 feet above the surface and be secured at the top. Scaffolding shall be properly erected and tagged by a scaffolding competent person. Always check the scaffold tag. Scaffolding shall be tagged with 3 colors: red, yellow, or green. Electrical safety. Only qualified electricians shall work on electrical equipment. Inspect all electrical tools prior to use. Worn or frayed electric cables shall not be used. Tag defective tools and turn in for repair. Do not allow cords to be placed in water. Crane safety. The safe working load of the overhead hoist, as determined by the manufacturer, shall not be exceeded. Only qualified personnel shall operate cranes. Never stand under a load. If you are not involved in lift operations, stay out of the area. Forklift safety. Only authorized employees are to operate forklifts. Before using a forklift, examine it for hazardous conditions which would make it unsafe to operate. Follow safe procedures for picking up, putting down, and stacking loads. Seatbelts must be worn at all times. Remove unsafe or defective forklifts from service until the defect is properly repaired. Housekeeping. All lines and leads need to be in trees when possible or to one side out of walkways to prevent tripping hazards. Work areas need to be kept clear of debris and flammables. If you create debris, clean it up. Never cross red danger tape. Adhere to all signs on the job site. Never enter a restricted access zone unless authorized to do so. Never enter a confined space without proper training and a permit signed by a competent person that the space is safe for entry. Employees working in extremely hot environments are at risk of heat illness. Heat stress, heat rash, and heat stroke are examples of heat illness. Prevent heat illness by staying hydrated. Wear light-colored or loose-fitting clothing when possible. Notify supervision if you get too hot, and get to an area to cool down. Download the OSHA Heat smartphone app for more information. Accident reporting. All accidents and near misses must be reported to your supervisor and Flexicrew immediately. No matter how minor it seems, it needs to be reported. If you have any questions, contact your supervisor or Flexicrew representative. Always carry your accident reporting card with you. Safety is our #1 priority. Always maintain an attitude of safety. The life you save may be your own.